At a former industrial manufacturing site in New Jersey, REGENESIS worked closely with TTI to implement a PFAS source area stabilization remedy using SourceStop, a colloidal activated carbon technology.
We're at a site here in New Jersey with a long industrial history, and what often goes along with that is quite a bit of contamination. In this case, what we're out here dealing with specifically is PFAS contaminated soils.
Years of site investigation and careful delineation helped TTI characterize subsurface conditions and identify zones where PFAS was most concentrated in the shallow soils.
We took a look at all the existing wells that were already here. We sampled them, we found PFAS. We found PFOA, PFNA, PFOS.
Really what we're trying to do is treat these PFAS impacted soils and prevent that continued leaching of the PFAS into the underlying groundwater.
We determined there was about 4 major hotspots that if we could treat those hotspots, we would be able to significantly reduce the amount of PFAS migration to groundwater.
The remedial approach used SourceStop, a colloidal activated carbon technology engineered to adsorb PFAS in soil.
SourceStop is an evolution of PlumeStop, where we're using colloidal activated carbon for tremendous results, long-term enhanced retention of PFAS plumes. We've taken colloidal activated carbon and integrated it in a composite microaggregate material. It's an all-in-one product that disperses in the soil and releases this colloidal activated carbon to significantly stop the leachability of any PFAS in the beta zone. It is dustless, it disperses with natural soil moisture, it mixes very quickly, it makes field operations very fast and efficient.
That's the big goal here, is to kind of show the benefits of our product. And I think a big one is definitely the dust suppression. It can be pretty critical to have a dustless carbon product applied. Certain sites we can't really be producing dust, specifically like airports, because any of that dust can get into the engines, or we're at military bases and you could be spraying the side of a building, but our SourceStop product does not have that dusty characteristic, and that is a massive benefit.
Once mixed in the soil, the carbon creates conditions that strongly favor the adsorbed state, significantly reducing PFAS leachability and limiting further migration from the treated zone. SourceStop can be applied on soil excavations and used in excavation bases and sidewalls, as well as in-situ soil mixing. SourceStop can also be applied in a trench barrier to mitigate plume migration. Executing the remedy required close coordination between TTI, their field crews, and the REGENESIS technical design team. SourceStop's low dust formulation and visual confirmation of proper mixing allowed crews to complete treatment efficiently while maintaining quality control and project schedules.
It is so gratifying to be able to do this kind of work. We're a small piece of the puzzle on this overall site, and there's a lot of things happening out here, but it really has a big impact overall.
REGENESIS has been wonderful. It makes me feel good as a licensed site remediation professional in New Jersey that we can clean this site up and help the community, especially in an industrial area.
For more information on PFAS soil and groundwater treatment using SourceStop, go to www.regenesis.com.